What's up, traders? Going 4 for 4 today. Gonna jump right into it as we always do. First trade was on XFOR. This one was literally at the bell. You can see previous resistance down here, 243. Nice little pop all the way up through 270. I was hoping for 3 on the pop, but as you can see, it stopped here. 286 was the high. We ended up getting filled at 283, and we scaled out along the way. If you go watch these trades live, which I will have the link down in the first comment, it'll be pinned. We had an order at 266 for the whole thing. It wouldn't get through 275. It came down. We ended up taking half off here, and then literally like right after that, it flushed down. So it got down to 264. We took that last piece at 266, and then it shot all the way back up through high of day, all the way up through 3. Thought about playing this again, but I really wanted it up, like through 3, like 320 area, and we didn't get that, so I just left it alone. Next trade was on AMC. Next 2 trades were on AMC, and you'll see this thing made a pretty decent move off the bottom. The daily was, kind of setting up for a little bit of a squeeze, and that's pretty much what it did for most of the day. And previous resistance, you can see the one here from the open yesterday. That was the high, had a little bit of pre-market highs there as well. And we got through that 26.50 area up through the whole $1.27. And this was kind of the fastest I had seen it move since I had started watching it. And so we took a little shot, and I believe it was the second time through 27. So it went through 27, was looking for the big pop through, didn't get it, came back down through just barely, went back up through, failed again. And on that fail is when we took it. Was looking for the flush. We got it. 26.66 was the flush, and we got filled at 26.73. So almost bottom ticked it, almost topped and bottom ticked that. On this particular move. And then it just started grinding. And then if you look, you can see this candle here was the biggest out of all the candles. It started to move pretty fast, and we were just waiting for it to kind of jiggle for us a little bit. And 28.77 was the high there. 28.68 was our entry. Went a little bit smaller just because it's AMC. I don't really like meme stocks too much. And yeah, we got a nice little bit of a flush into that, and obviously it would have been nice to hold on to this, but again, was really just looking for half the move. I was being very punchy because it wasn't really a big move. This thing could have went crazy up through 30 or something like that, and so we were just being careful with it and taking what we can get. Later in the day, we ran into NKLA right off the scanner, and this one was a little bit of a volume out of nowhere. You can see previous resistance, the highs from yesterday, as well as from the pre-market. The highs from intraday were all the way down here. So blew right through all of that on some volume. Once we get above all those areas, you know what I look for, those key areas, whole dollars, and then I look for that nice move up through there. Through the whole dollar of 10, got up to 10.25. High was 10.29. Our entry was 10.23. And I believe on the way back down, I guess you're not going to see it on the candle, but we pretty much bottom ticked this around 10. It jumped back up 10.15 and then flushed. So we did pretty well as far as our entries go today. I was pretty impressed with how much we basically topped everything. And that's how we're going to go into the weekend. So that's all I have. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. Again, if you want to watch the trades live, it'll be in the first pinned comment down below. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those down below as well. Find me in Discord, find me on Twitter. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday morning. Peace.